guys, my name is Mars. Alright, and I just got home from work, and I got here a amplifier from Deviser. Alright, I bought it online. It's called TG-15. Alright, it's just a 15 watts amplifier. We're gonna do an unboxing and make a quick review. Right, and after that I'm going to try to play my guitar using this TG-15 and see how it sounds. Alright. Right, so let's get to it. Get it. Sideways. So what do we have here? Operation manual, specification, 6.5 inch. The speaker, 220 volts, 15 watt output power, output impedance 4 ohms, 70 decibels frequency. Certified here. So this is it. Look at the color. I really I really choose the orange color because it brings out the brightness in me somehow. So what we have here, got the input here for the for your guitar tones, volume, treble, and bass. It's so basic and so simple. It's so easy to operate. And we have here a drive. Alright, drive button. The wires are just long enough. It's just long enough, right? And yeah, basic plugins here in the Philippines. Flat. Some specification here at the back. I really like the color. It's orange. It's so bright, right? This is actually not so light. It's a little bit heavy for a small amplifier. All right, I like it. It weighs just like my Marshall here. You can't see it in the video. It's just here. All right. So let's go ahead and make a sound check. Alright guys, I have here my trusty gold top Les Paul, and we're gonna turn on the TG-15. I set it in 12 o'clock, all of them, the volume, the treble, bass, and we're going for the clean tone here, so no effects or whatsoever. We just both what do you call this, both pickup, and I set it all on top, full, the knobs. Some blocking. Let's add in some reverb. Some echo. Okay, some Alright, so guys, if you like this video, just click on the subscribe, alright, and click on the bell so that you'll get notified if I have a new video. Alright, have a nice day, guys. Thank you for watching.